Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll be discussing one question of machine hour rate where we find a situation that different holidays on Diwali, Christmas, Holi is given in the question, and also there is a reference of breakdown time, which is a normal breakdown time for a machinery. In that case, how to calculate machine hour rate, that we are going to understand. From the following data of textile factory, machine room computes an hourly machine rate assuming that machine room will work on 90% capacity. That means whatever maximum machine hours are possible, we are required to reduce it to 90% because 10% capacity is not used throughout the year, and a breakdown of 10% is reasonable. So breakdown of 10% is reasonable means it is going to happen every time, every year, that around 10% of the hours will be lost because of breakdown time. There are 3 days holidays at Deepavali. So during Deepavali, there will be 3 holidays to the factory. 2 days at Holi. So at the time of Holi, there will be 2 days holidays and 2 days at Christmas, exclusive of Sundays. That means 3 days of Deepavali, 2 days of Holi, 2 days of Christmas. So 7 days will be no work apart from all Sundays. The factory works 8 hours a day and 4 hours on Saturday. That is half day on Saturday, it is working 4 hours. Number of machines, each of same type, are 40 machines. So quantity of machine you can consider here, they are 40 machines. So if we get machine hour rate for one machine, we can calculate machine hour rate for 40 machines. Expenses per annum, power 3,12,000, lighting 64,000, salaries to foreman 1,20,000, lubricating oil 6,600, repairs to machine 1,44,600, and depreciation 78,560. In this question, we are required to calculate first effective working days considering the holidays. Let us consider first total hours. The factory works at 8 hours a day. So if there are 365 days, it will be 2920 hours. But factory has not worked for 365 days because there are holidays, declared holidays as well as Sundays. So we are required to deduct those many hours. On Saturdays, factory works only for 4 hours. That means 4 hours no work on Saturdays. So there are 52 Saturdays in a year multiplied by 4 hours. This 208 hours. During Deepavali, 3 days factory is closed. So 3 days multiplied by 8 hours. 24 hours will not be considered. During Holi, 2 days multiplied by 8 hours. 16 hours. During Christmas, 2 days, 8 hours. We are also required to consider Sundays. 52 Sundays, 8 hours. That is 416 hours. So in all 680 hours there is no work. So effective working days will be working hours 2240. We have to deduct here breakdown time, that is 10%. So effective machine hours for one machine will be 2016 hours. There are 40 machineries, then 40 multiplied by 2016 hours we are required to do to get total number of machine hours. One machine 2016 hours multiplied by 40 machines. So it will be in all 80,640 hours. Let us start with the working. Lighting 64,000. Salaries to foreman 1,20,000. Lubricating oil 6,600. Here we assume it as standing charge. We can take total of standing charges. It is 1,90,600. Per hour, if we want to calculate 1,90,600 divided by total hours, here we got 80,640. So it will be 2 rupees 37 paise per hour. Now running charges, power 3,12,000. This is expense of all 40 machines. So divided by total hours, 80,640. This is rupees 3.869 paise. Repairs to machine 1,44,600. Divided by total hours 80,640. It is 1 rupees 793 paise. Total depreciation 78,560. So it will be 6 rupees 636 paise. Now per hour standing charge 2 rupees 37 paise. Per hour running charge 6 rupees 636 paise. We'll be adding them to arrive at machine hour rate. So it comes to rupees 9 per hour. In this question, we have observed how to give treatment to breakdown time and how to calculate machine hour rates when they have given 40 machines in a question. We have to calculate for one machine and apply it for 40 machines. We are required to consider total machine hours for all 40 machines to divide expenses. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.